How to change app icon size on iPhone. In this video, I will tell you how you can change easily any app's icon size. In this video, I will tell you if you have any iPhone, then watch this video till the end. First, open the mobile settings and now you can see after open your mobile setting, scroll up and you can find here display and brightness options. Click on the display and brightness options. Now you can find here, scroll up and now you can find in the downside you can see display zoom. Now you have to just click on the display zoom. Now you can see default have already selected, but you have to select larger text. Click on the larger text and now you can click on the right side up, right options, and now you can see use zoomed options. Click on the use zoomed options. After click on the zoomed options, now you can see after clicking, now your screen display size will be increased. So you have to just click on the right options and now you have to just go to the back. Now you can see your all apps icon size will be changed. Here will be increased, but your text size also increase, but you want to decrease your only text size. Now you have to just click on the apps, go to the settings. Now you have to just scroll down and now you can find display and brightness options. Click on the display and brightness options. Now you can see text size options. Click on the text size options. Now you have to just, you can see in the downside you can increase and decrease your text size. You want to decrease your text size, you can easily decrease your text size. Now you can see your apps icons will be increased and you can decrease your text size only. These steps you can apps icon size change on your iPhone. If you like this video, like and you can subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video.